Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video I've got another makeup haul and it's all high-end stuff, and this little bag is full and there's more. So if this overflowing bag is any indication of what's to come, then you're in for a treat. Grab a snack, it's going to be a long ride. So let's go into all the stuff that has made me broke. So let's get into it. So guys, in this video I'll also be including a giveaway, my first giveaway ever. I'm so excited. Christmas is just around the corner, so if you want to win a little Christmas gift from me, I will show you everything in the gift in a picture right now. So yeah, if you want to enter this giveaway, then just keep watching. Firstly, I'm going to go through my makeup beauty loop box. I usually do a dedicated video to this one, but working two jobs is kicking my ass and I have not had the time. So we're going to do it in this video. So I am a level 2. So first we've got the little card and shows us everything we're getting in this one. So the first thing on top says, it's like a little brown thing that says Labo on it. I think it's a perfume sample. The last one I got from Mecca was so good, like I had so many compliments. I prefer the ones with the spray. This doesn't have a spray bottle on it, which is really annoying because I'm not going to use it unless it's got a spray on it. But this says Bergamote 22 on the vial. So this is Labo Bergamote 22. Fresh, clean fragrance is laced with bursts of vibrant citrus and balanced with hints of floral and musky accents. Spray onto pulse points. Well, you can't spray it. I hate perfumes like this when they're in like a little thing. Whew, that is citrusy. All I can smell is the citrus in that. That would be good during summer, but you know, I'm not that into it. I'm more into florals personally. But it's still interesting one to try. Just wish I had a spray on it. Next is a Lancome product, and it is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. A powerful serum that promises radiant, smoother skin, targeting texture, elasticity, firmness, firm lines and wrinkles. Apply several drops before your AM or PM moisturizer. So, just a little squeezy tube. I'll pop it in my bathroom and use it, but you know, here's what it is sort of thing. Next we have a Mecca Cosmetica product. A hydrating mist, so something this dry girl needs. Shield your skin with this multitasking mist designed to protect against anti-irradiation and environmental aggressors, loaded with moisturizing amino acids and natural extracts. This daily defender feels like the loveliest rose water mist, only it's much smarter. So I'm assuming it's just anti-skincare routine, and I love sprays. So spray, like, I'm gonna use this. Can't really grab a scent just like that, but I am keen to try this, and I'm glad it's like a decent size as well. But yeah, so far 3 non-makeup products. The last one is a makeup product, but I'm kind of disappointed. Usually we get at least 2 makeup products. So if you're in a different level, if you're a level 1 or a level 3, or even if you're a level 2 and got something else, please let me know what you guys got in your box. The last product, which thank God we got, is a NARS lip pigment in the shade Starwoman. So it's a tiny little red lipstick. Oh, Starwoman is the right name for that. That is so nice. Like, so excited about that, and that's such a perfect red color. So that was a hit. That was worth the whole box. I just wish we got some other makeup products as well. That was everything in the loop box. So let's get into the rest of the makeup. First one isn't makeup, however I did get it from Mecca, and is the Mario Bedescu Facial Spray Trio. I've been so curious about Mario Bedescu sprays, like everyone seems to use them, but I thought this is the perfect way to try all of them. Yeah, all three like minis in like travel sizes, and aren't they just cute? So there's a green one, a pink one, and a purple one. So the purple one is aloe, chamomile, and lavender. The green one is aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And the pink one is aloe, herbs, and rosewater. So if you guys have tried any of these, please let me know what you think of them, and which one is your favorite or anything, because I'd love to know. Next, I actually got this one from Cosmetics Now Australia. They have such amazing deals on like discounts for makeup, and I actually got this one half price. So like, yeah, I've got the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I do have the Pro Glow to go, and I really like that, and ShanXO loves the full size, so for half price I just couldn't say no. I had to get it. So this palette is actually a contour and highlight palette, and it's interesting because it opens up on the sides. Remove the plastic. So it opens up this way. So there are 5 powders, and then this bottom one here is a cream, but it looks stunning. So I love my Pro Glow to go, but it's definitely time I got the full size because I love it so much. Perfect. Next I got another Too Faced HangoveRx primer. I got the mini one this time. I had this a few years ago, but last year, but it exploded in a suitcase when I was traveling, so I had to rebuy it. I just got the little one this time because I never go through products. I have so much makeup, so I like to buy the mini sizes just because I can still enjoy the product, and I still don't even make it through those. So love this primer, so good. I also got another mini, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. It's in the shade Luminous Flush. It's so cute. That is the shade there, just so pretty. I love minis, like so cute, and you know, I'm never gonna go through all of this, let alone a full size one, so it's worth saving your money and getting the mini sizes. Next I got a lip trio from Stila, in the Nude liquid lipstick trio. I got the Mecca 20th birthday edition liquid lipstick from Stila when that came out, and I loved it. So the fact that I can try 3 more colours, and I'm not going to go through all of them all, so love the minis. But I got the shades Patina, Nude Shimmer, and Sogno. So these are the colours. That's Nude Shimmer, Patino, and Sogno. All really pretty nudes, and I would wear every single one of them. So plus Patina is like a super popular shade, and I've always wanted to try it, so absolutely loving those colours. So I got a blush duo from NARS. Is the Dual Intensity blushes, and I got the shade Adoration. Those are the shades there. Oh my god, talk about intense. No wonder they call them Dual Intensity. Those colours look intense. Look at those, like that shade, the bright one. Talk about needing to use a light hand. Might even be good as an eyeshadow. So excited to try those on the cheeks with a light hand, of course. Next I got a Too Faced Natural Nudes lipstick. I got the shade Strip Set, and trust me, I've worn this. It is like the perfect nude. Like, absolutely love this. And the packaging is to die for. It's like lace on the actual tube. And that is the colour. Such a perfect nude. So that is the colour there. Literally my perfect nude. Love this stuff. It looks so good. So natural, so creamy, so comfortable. Like, I so want to get more shades. It's so good. I also got a Vice lipstick from Decay. I got the shade Backtalk because it's like the most popular shade and everyone loves Backtalk. They've made a palette dedicated to this lip colour, so I had to try it. So that is what it looks like. Oh, it's that perfect purpley, pinky, mauvey nude colour. Like, it's just that. So perfect. Cannot wait to try that one. So good. I also got a NARS lip gloss in the shade Turkish Delight. Kim Kardashian actually made this shade very popular way back in the day, and it's been very popular ever since. It's very much pink, but yeah, it's an iconic shade, so I had to get it. So that is it just there. Such a pretty shade. Also, because I've never tried cream contouring before until I got this, and it is the Hoola Quickie contour stick. I've heard such good things about this. Everyone loves it, so creamy, and I tried it and I loved it. Like, I'm not really into creams, I'm more into powders, but I'm starting to get more into like cream highlighters, and now my Quickie contour stick. Cream blush I'm still warming up to, but such a perfect shade. That's it just there, and it blends like a dream. So good. Next I got a face palette from Too Faced. It's the Natural Face palette. Oh my god, the packaging, the lace, so pretty, and the packaging of it with the lace, and it's like domed, it's just like out of this world pretty. Packaging is so heavy, so well made, it's just amazing. And those are the shades. Smells really nice. But oh my god, this blush shade is so pretty. This bronzer's so pretty. Like, so happy I got this face palette. It is so beautiful, like so well made, like packaging, like it's to die for. It's so girly and lacy and beautiful. This is like set the standard. I also got the ever talked about Born This Way Super Coverage multi-use sculpting concealer. I got the lighter shade Swan. It was so hard to get this, like this shade. Like, you would not believe the lengths I had to go to get this shade, but I finally got it. It's so big and has such a massive doe foot applicator. So that's it. Bit yellow toned, but the lightest they've got, and it's still like not light enough for me, so what you gonna do? And then to go with it, I got the Born This Way foundation. I also got the lighter shade in Swan because there's just nothing lighter. Stunning packaging, like so heavy, so luxe, like gorgeous. Can't wait to get this on my face, because James Charles just like absolutely is obsessed with this stuff, and if James Charles loves it, I at least have to try it. Now the last three things are eyeshadow palettes. So the first one, because like I got it like ages ago and I need to finally mention it, I got the Novena palette from Anastasia. I absolutely loved the Soft Glam palette, and when I saw that there was like a rosier, purpley sort of toned version of the Soft Glam in Novena, I just absolutely had to try this, and I have, and I love it. This is the palette here. As you can see, I love this shade. Like, it's so pretty, like fairy tale sort of palette. Absolutely love it. I've used it so many times. It's so gorgeous. Like, you have to get your hands on this one. It's so good. This is Anastasia, so you know the quality of the eyeshadows are going to be top notch. So I got the Aristo palette from Zoeva. I really like the rose gold palette, so when I saw this, I was like, whew, so cute, gotta get it. So these are the shades in the palette. I think it's very interesting. I really like these shades, and the greens and the blues. Like, greens and blues are just so on trend right now, so such a gorgeous palette. I just had to try it, and Zoeva does really good eyeshadows, so really love it. And I love how thin their palettes are, like so good for storage. And last but not certainly least, something that was very hard for me to get my hands on, but is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I have used this and I loved it. It was so pretty. Packaging is so good. It's like pictures of travel, and I myself love travel. Can't afford it right now, but it's just, it reminds me like of all the places I have been. Like I've been to like so many of these places that are actually on the palette. So yeah, such good quality, massive mirror. And like, do I need to say anything? Probably not. This palette is a dream. Like, I use this shade on the lid with some like brown, and oh my god, it looks so good. Like a perfect travel palette. You've literally got everything that you need in this palette. It is so gorgeous. Like, you've got your pinks, your oranges, your browns, your blues and greens, you've got a black, you've got your shimmery golds, and you've got your like flesh tone shade. Like, there's literally, you've got everything you would need. Perfect palette. Packaging, stunning, so well made. Like, one of the best palettes from Urban Decay, like hands down. So if you have made it this far into the video, that means that you want to enter my little Christmas giveaway. So if you liked everything that you saw in the picture, then you are going to want to be subscribed to my channel and click the link down below that will lead you to a website where it will verify that you are subscribed to me. And there are also some additional ways to enter, such as following me on Twitter, following me on Instagram, and liking my Facebook page. So if you want some extra chances to win, those are definitely some great ways to get some extra entries. But make sure you follow me and subscribe to me, and you are definitely in the running to win my awesome giveaway. And I'm really excited to give back to you guys, especially the ones who have been so loyal to me and me starting this channel and everything. So just a little Christmas present to say thank you to you guys. And yeah, I will hopefully update you with a winner soon. I'm ending this competition on Boxing Day, that is the day after Christmas, for those of you who aren't aware of what Boxing Day is. But yeah, I am really looking forward to giving you guys a present. So yeah, please enter the giveaway and subscribe. So yeah guys, that is all of the high-end makeup I have spent my money on the past few months. Like, this is definitely a collective haul. I did not buy all of this at once. Like, I'm so broke, I couldn't afford to do that. Like, I've definitely bought things, like 1 or 2 things at a time over the past few months, every time it's on sale, or if I could get my hands on something that was so hard to get it on in terms of shades, for example. But yeah, I absolutely love everything, and now I've got to find a place for it. Like, my drawers are full as it is, and I'm struggling to find places for things. So I definitely need to go onto a, you know, a shopping ban in terms of makeup. There's just so many fun Christmas sets coming out right now, and there's so many I want to get my hands on. But I'm resisting because, you know, moving soon, so that's just more important. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!